Introduction to ShopStyle App.
Looking to save money on fashion? The ShopStyle app is a powerful tool that alerts you to sales and deals from hundreds of brands. With its easy-to-use interface, you can follow your favorite stores and never miss a price drop. This walkthrough will show you how to set up ShopStyle for instant sales notifications, helping you snag the deals you want.
Downloading and setting up ShopStyle.
Start by downloading the ShopStyle app from your device's app store. Open the app and create a free account using your email, or simply sign in with an existing Google or Facebook profile. Once inside, you'll be prompted to select your style preferences, favorite brands, and sizes. This ensures that your alerts are tailored to your unique fashion tastes.
Following brands and products.
To receive sales notifications, use the search bar to find your favorite brands, stores, or items. Tap the heart icon to favorite them. Favoriting adds them to your personal feed and enables the app to track price changes. You can curate a list of brands and products you love and get updates only for what matters to you.
Enabling sales alerts and notifications.
To get real-time notifications for sales, go to your profile or app settings. Enable notifications and specify that you want alerts for price drops and exclusive sales. You can customize how frequently you receive updates and choose whether to get push notifications on your phone or email alerts. Stay informed instantly when items go on sale.
Shopping and saving effectively.
Browse your feed regularly to see current deals on your favored brands. When you receive an alert, tap the notification to quickly view and purchase the discounted item before it sells out. Compare prices, read reviews, and use ShopStyle's features to make smart buying decisions, ensuring you never miss out on great fashion deals.
Tips for maximizing your savings.
For even more savings, check ShopStyle during major shopping events like Black Friday or end-of-season sales. Consider stacking retailer promo codes or cashback offers found through the app. By being proactive and setting alerts for specific items, you can score top fashion at the best possible prices.